Ningeomba sasa First Lady, Her Excellency Elizabeth, the outgoing governor, the incoming governor and the First Lady, just to remain. Please, Your Excellency the Deputy Governor, if you may step back kindly. Look at our beautiful county. Look at our beautiful county. Wapi nuru ya county yetu tukufu. I'll kindly ask you, you hold hands and raise like this together. This is love, peace, and harmony. Thank you very much. DJ. I'll now ask all of you to go and sit. Your Excellency and the family, I will ask now that you take time to go and inspect the guard of honor. Tafadhali tutoke wote, tufungue njia. Naona familia ya gavana Simba Arati wako hapa na wangeomba picha naye. Kwa sababu mmefika, tafadhali jongeeni mbele. Thank you, Your Excellency, Your Governor. Naomba tafadhali wengine tumwache familia ya governor anayeingia. Tuharakishe, we are getting late of time. Please take photos. Tusonge. Tutoke juu tafadhali. Let's give His Excellency the Governor humble time to have a photo. Tunamfinya sana hapa. Please, police officers, help us. Let's have some order. Hii ndio familia ya Governor Simba Paul Arati, gavana wa pili. Na sote tuseme Simba leta. Asante tafadhali. Sasa tushuke wote. Kwa heshima, Your Excellency, naomba usonge mbele. Wananchi wapendwa, kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa tarehe 25, tafadhali turudi tuketi. Tutoke kwa uwanja, kila mtu atoke kwa uwanja. Kila mtu atoke kwa uwanja. Wale waliosimama pale, tokeni kwa uwanja. Your Excellency, 1 minute. Tutoke, hawa watu wamesimama hapa chini. Tusonge nyuma, songa nyuma ya podium. Songa nyuma ya podium, tafadhali. Tokeni, toka hapo mbele. Ningeomba basi tutulie. Tafadhali tusonge, tuwe nyuma. Tokeni kwa nyasi. Kama umesimama kwa nyasi, toka. Ikiwa umesimama kwa nyasi, toka. Wale naongelesha wamesimama pale. We are doing a very serious thing. Move back. Let's go back. Turudi, tafadhali. Simtoke.
Tufanye haraka tafadhali. Tufanye haraka. Kwa sababu ya muda tufanye haraka tafadhali.
Naomba tusikize, ni heshima. Basi naomba wananchi tusimame wima. Kila mtu asimame. Ikiwa umevalia kofia isiyo rasmi, tunaomba usimame kimya na utulie kwa heshima ya taifa letu tukufu na heshima ya kaunti.
Watu wote tusimame, uwanja mzima tusimame tafadhali. Tusimame sisi wote. Tusimame sisi wote.
Band. Wimbo wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Tutulie tafadhali, tutulie. Gavana anaombwa sasa aweze kukagua waride ya heshima iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake kama gavana wa pili wa jimbo.
Security please, wachana na yeye. Security, give him time please, wachana na yeye. Security please, thank you. Mwache tu, thank you. Security. He is celebrating, mwache tu, thank you. Security please.
Gavana kwa heshima na kwa mara, songeni kando tafadhali. Kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa anakagua waride ya heshima iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake kama gavana wa pili wa jimbo la Kisii.
Asante sana. Wengine tunaweza kaa sasa. Wengine tukae tafadhali. Tukae, asante sana. Thank you. Wengine tukae.
Wimbo Mbuya Nyasaye, Mbuya Nyasaye wakiongoza Salvation Army Band na Kisii County Enforcement Officers. Mbuya Nyasaye. Anaomba ruhusa ya kuondoa waride iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake gavana wa pili, na gavana amesema permission granted. Naomba tafadhali gavana atumie jukwaa tu anapopanda na akishuka. Wapi makofi ya gavana wetu, Gavana Simba Paul Arati, His Excellency. Mnaomba kusimama jukwaa kuu anapoingia gavana wa pili, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. Wapi makofi?
Asante sana, thank you. Tusimame jukwaa tunapomkaribisha gavana wetu wa pili wa Kisii County, Gavana Paul Simba Arati. Tusimame tukimkaribisha anapoingia jukwani. Asante sana. Haya, wale ambao mko kwa uwanja tafadhali tutoke sisi wote. Asante. Wapi makofi ya gavana anapoingia jukwani? Asante.
Kwa heshima sasa namkabidhi mwenzangu ambaye ni Master of Ceremony of the Day.
Thank you.
Aweze kuendelea.
Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you. Abantu ba Kisii County mpiyamare. Iriri atange keri atobono kyo masikani kia Simba netaya. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you. Wale ambao mko kwa uwanja tafadhali mtulie. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Osoro, karibu sana. Na mkubalie aingie peke yake tafadhali. Aingie tu peke yake. Wapi makofi ya Mheshimiwa Silvanus Osoro? Thank you so much. Thank you Mheshimiwa, karibu sana. Karibu sana. Thank you. Asanti. Aya, tukubaliane tafadhali, tukubaliane tafadhali. Aya, asante. Timu Osoro, Mheshimiwa wako sawa, please. You can pave way. Thank you so much. Asante. Aya, asante sana. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God is good, Kisii. All the time. Asante sana, asante sana. Kwa sasa ningependa maridadi. Asante sana. Kwa heshima sasa kikundi cha reinforcement Kisii County, kwa heshima Mheshimiwa Your Excellency Simba Arati usimame, tukiwapokea saluti ya heshima kikosi cha Kisii County Reinforcement Team. Ndio hiyo saluti ya heshima ya kumkaribisha gavana mpya. Wapi nduru ya kikosi chetu cha Reinforcement Kisii County? Asante sana, tusimame sisi wote kwa heshima. Oh, maridadi. Yes. Maridadi. Wanatoa heshima yao kwa gavana mpya, gavana wa pili Kisii County, Gavana Paul Simba Arati. Maridadi. Aha. Asante sana. Aya, tukae. Thank you so much. Tukae tafadhali. Maridadi. Aya. Sasa maridadi, thank you. Thank you so much. Kikosi chetu cha Kisii County Reinforcement, asante sana. Kwa sasa our governor, the second governor Kisii County, Your Excellency Sir Honorable Simba Arati. Nikubalie sasa kwa wakati huu nikaweza kuandalia burudani kidogo. Kuna jamaa ambaye anaitwa Joseph Mambo ambaye aliimba wimbo Simba Netaya. Halo. Sasa kwa heshima kwa sababu hatujawahi kuwa na wakati kama huu, I'll want to ask the outgoing governor and the incoming governor and the first ladies, the outgoing first lady and the incoming first lady, as men of the same opinion say aye. The ayes have it. So Governor Simba Arati yako wapi? Where huyu jamaa kwa wapi? Mambo, where are you? Mambo kujeni hapa. Come here. Just come here. Mambo, where is Mambo? Huyu jamaa aliimba wimbo ambao umejulikana sana, umeimba sana, na tunataka tumkaribishe pamoja wapate nafasi nzuri na gavana ambaye anaingia na gavana ambaye anatoka. Tuimbe huu wimbo kwa pamoja. Tena kuchiari dada. Gavana ngayari. Gavana Simba, where are you? DJ. Hapo sawa. Tusimame. The outgoing governor, the incoming governor. Tusimame sisi wote. Wote tusimame. Hey! Kisii County Urieka lo kyo kama no muromo le mutata Sajo tari koriera njoke morero Ande nigaro muoge munomo yo birende Ona wando ami ndoko la batole Oyonzi para dio mondo brama ntomo muraberi sotokire Oyonzi para dio mondo brama ntomo muraberi sotokire Duru Yesu Moremo Kero gonaro bimijini agajorwa Ae Simba no moremo akaburi Kero gonaro bimijini agajorwa Komo motumbo dagoreti Adigusi yengi mawanzo mbaroche Komo motumbo dagoreti Asante sana Wapinduru Asante sana, thank you so much. Asante sana. Aya Mwanje to muziki. Okay, asante sana. Wapi man pepe Sagero? Sagero ako wapi? Turudi tukae tafadhali. Sagero ako wapi? DJ Sagero kimbia. DJ tupatie moja ya Sagero. tupatie moja ya Sagero, alafu kisha baadaye tuwapeleke kwa ratiba nyingine. Wapi makelele ya gavana? Weke gavana Joni ya Kisii County Simba weka. Twende! Simba kind of fresh. 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 Emilia Kane Julia. Gavana. Simba Arati. Walimoje Simba Arati maboko hiyo. Walimoje Simba Arati maboko hiyo. Walimoje Simba Arati miriato. Walimoje Simba Arati miriato. Walimoje Simba Arati michuria. Walimoje Simba Arati michuria. Walimoje Simba Arati totenge. Walimoje Simba Arati totenge. Apo. Nigeria baby! His Excellency Simba Arati. Yani gavana. Omoja ni mwa Simba Arati kate gavana. Yoka. Kumbu wanja ni mwa Kisii County Tibori Koera. Kumbu wanja ni mwa Kisii County Tibori Koera. Wanja ni bukari kuchase Arati nubwe chinguru. Njira abantu basose gete kwa Simba mpuyare. Bari moga tema Simba Arati mamba. Thank you. Asante sana. Sasa tukae tafadhali. Na watu wegertanga na higo asenseme hiyo muziki. Tukae tafadhali, sisi wote tukae tafadhali. Thank you so much. Tukae sisi wote. Asante sana. Wale ambao mmesimama tafadhali kwa VIP mkae tafadhali. Those who are upstanding kwa VIP tukae, tutulie kabisa. Asante sana. Tukae tutulie sasa. Asante. Sasa kwa heshima na vile nimeelekezwa, kwa sasa ningependa nikaweze kumkaribisha the outgoing governor Kisii County, His Excellency Governor James Elvis Omariba Ongwae. Okay, thank you so much. Asante sana. Nimkaribishe Patrick Lumumba alafu atupeleke kwa kipindi kifuatacho. Karibu sana Patrick. Thank you.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony. Our governor for Kisii County, Paul Simba Arati, our outgoing governor, James E.O. Ongwae, our first ladies, it's now my singular pleasure to invite the outgoing governor to make brief remarks. Thank you very much.
My governor, Excellency Simba Arati, the governor of this great county of Kisii, the first lady, Excellency Madam May, the outgoing First Lady, Excellency Elizabeth Ongwae, the Deputy Governor, Excellency Monda, together with his wife, the Mzee Sam Ongeri, our outgoing Senator, our new Senator, Richard Onyonka, Mheshimiwa Richard Onyonka, the members of parliament who are here, Madam Donya, Honorable Zaig, Honorable Kibagendi, Honorable Jafeth Nyakundi, Honorable Alpha Miruka, Honorable Silvanus Yosoro, Honorable Dan Manduku, Honorable Badia Barongo, and Honorable Charles Onchoke, our Bishop of this great county of Kisii, Your Lordship Mairura, the members of the county assembly, those who won and those who lost, who are in this gathering, all my brothers and sisters from this great county of Kisii. Your Excellency, I congratulate you for becoming the second governor of this great county of Kisii. Politics is over. Now we must start running this county. I also thank the people of Kisii for the 10 years they gave me in leveraging this county. Your Excellency, the institutionalization of this county, what you are seeing here, when we came here, there was no stadium here. There was nothing. All these people who are passing here, the askaris and so on, that was part of the institutionalization process. The county is institutionalized. The county is ready for takeoff. And this is a great county, Your Excellency, and I wish you the best. I have the confidence that you will take us to the next level. I saw how you campaigned, and I know that with that zeal, you will be able to guide this county forward. Your Excellency, the Assumption of Office Committee has already prepared all the necessary reports on the functioning of the county. They will be able, in that committee, you are ably represented by people who are lawyers and people who know matters accounting. So the report that you are going to get is substantive. We have agreed informally between the two of us that we are also going to have our own meeting where I'll take you through matters that they themselves actually, which are matters that are sacred to the governor. And those matters, Your Excellency, I'm going to take you through. Please, with all humility, I ask you to allow me to paraphrase President Uhuru Kenyatta, who recently said that when you serve people, you cannot complete everything. You must leave other things, others for posterity, and others for other leaders who are coming. And if you allow me that, just allow me to tell you those things that are pending. The ones that I've done, I do not want to spend my time on them because you'll be able to see them when you take office. The first one, Your Excellency, is the Cancer Center. Some time back, we wrote a concept paper and we got about 2.5 billion shillings from the Saudi government and the Arab Bank for International Development. That money had to pass through the Ministry of Health. So the Ministry of Health is the implementer, even though we requested for those funds. We have had meetings with the Ministry of Health. They have advertised for this cancer center. We have already identified the plot, which you have seen. And what is remaining is for identification of the contractor to come and start putting in place the cancer center. It will be the biggest cancer center in Western Kenya. And Your Excellency, I know that you know how to follow things. Please follow that one. The second thing, Your Excellency, I want to tell you is about the mother-child. We were with you when Madam Aido Odinga opened it. But Your Excellency, when it was opened, anything that is opened, even your own house, you open it, you start with a few things, and then you start putting things. So please, that is going to be your major project. We wish you the best. It is a 350-bed facility. Kindly ensure, Your Excellency Governor, that it starts working. We have the Doctors Plaza. It is finished. It is for doctors. The only thing you have to decide, those doctors who are coming in, what are they paying you? What are they paying government, your government? And how are they going to operate from there? Your Excellency, we signed a Kenya-UK Health Alliance. That Kenya-UK Health Alliance had a portion for Kisii County, and we went to the UK with the Vice Chancellor of Kisii University. And we signed the alliance. And they gave us a portion. They gave 2 portions to Kenya. One of them is to Jomo Kenyatta University as a center of excellence for oncology, and Kisii University as a center of excellence for health education in East and Central Africa. And it's a major project, Your Excellency. I'll give you the details. If you follow that with the Vice Chancellor, these people of Kisii County will feel very nice. Your Excellency, the people of South Mugirango voted for you, even if they had their own candidate. You got a lot of votes from there, and I've been able to see. There is the sugar factory. The investor is supposed to start putting in place. I'll give you all the facts, Your Excellency, so that you can finish it. Your Excellency, Suneka Stadium, the national government came and put a contractor there. He removed the airstrip, sorry, Suneka airstrip. He removed the former airstrip, and nothing can land there for the last 2 years, and we have followed it. But I know with your vigor, you should be able to follow national government to ensure they finish that project. Your Excellency, this stadium, the current president, Uhuru Kenyatta, he has not handed over, promised us 150 million. But we didn't wait for him, we put the tartan track. But he's supposed to, that money is supposed to do the entire embankment. He's supposed to put lights here. He's supposed to add 2 or 3 pavilions, one on that side and another one on that side, and a few other things, niceties to finish this stadium. This is the best stadium as it is right now in the Nyanza region. You've been to Kisumu yourself, you know this is better. So, Your Excellency, I am kindly requesting you that you follow that money before he leaves office, the 150 million. Because if we leave you to start looking for that money from the county, you probably will use money that would have gone to more serious things like health services, which Your Excellency have heard you talk about very many times. Finally, Your Excellency, you know, and I want to say this with a light joke, you know about Ogembo municipality and the other major towns. Please open them, and that should be your first charge as you take office. My brothers and sisters of Kisii, I thank you sincerely for the 10 years. Nobody is able, nobody is God. I had my own idiosyncrasies. I had my own problems as a person. But I want to believe that where I tried, I also tried. Abagusiba mintonko ba kirambi yamono. Na inche tigange endo mumuroyo musani ono has taken over. Tigama ngana siyasa. Oyono musani ono no hanerebu ko manyana batebi. I wish you all the very best, and may God be with you and may God bless you. Thank you very much. As I finish now, allow me, I have already introduced the members of parliament who are here, but this is a function, this is a form of function for our new governor, His Excellency Simba Arati. So we have all agreed that there will be no speeches except for those that are in charge of the county, that are members of parliament, either Senate or National Assembly, that are in charge of this county. In that regard, therefore, allow me to call the outgoing Senator, Mzee Professor Sam Kegengo Ngeri, to come and say his words. Professor Kegengo Ngeri, please. Thank you very much. I'm told Mzee is just coming, is on the way. Let me now call Madam Donya to come and say a word.
Wapi makofi ya Doris Donya Toto.
Thank you, our outgoing governor, Honorable Ongwae, thank you very much for the peaceful transition. May God bless you and your family. And to our Almighty God, our ever-living and loving God, graciously we thank you for this occasion. To our new governor, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, you had a good fight. This is what God has given. To the people of Kisii County, we believe in you. We have hope and not fear. To everybody who participated in this election, to our dear Senator Richard Momoi Monyonka, to my family members, my husband who is here, and my father, Kisii sweethearts, and everyone, I promise that I will not let you down. We will commence the Kisii County Sweetheart Circle. To our governor, our challenges are real. We don't have piped water. Our health facilities are not equipped. Please, Governor, achieve this agenda. Make our county great. Make our people feel dignified. As you go home, God bless you. We love you. Thank you very much.
Mzee Sam, Professor Sam Kegengo Ngeri, our good outgoing senator for Kisii County. Mzee Ongeri.
Your Excellency, Governor Paul Simba Arati, the First Lady, Mama Simba Arati, the outgoing Governor, Your Excellency, Governor Elvis Ongwae, Omariba Ongwae, the first outgoing First Lady, the Deputy Governor, Your Excellency Robert Monda, and the Mama Robert Monda, members of Parliament, the senators, and the women representative, Madam Justice Teresia Mumbua Matheka, who conducted these services, Bishop Mairura, the other clergies, ladies and gentlemen, my duty is very simple. You have now got the mantle to run this county as the substantive governor of Kisii County. I want to wish you and my wife and my family God's blessings, because I know when you put God first, you're going to succeed. It's quite a very populous society, requires a lot of input. Don't hesitate whatsoever at any time to consult us when you need us. We'll gladly help you to be able to move this county to another level. Ngasina boiko. Ngasina boika bagusiaba. Umwana ontoko machinguru. Yes, let's give him power and support. The politics is now over. Na mimi kama mzee wa Kisii, I want to say, wacha sasa siasa tuweke kando. Wacha sasa tuingie katika mambo ya maendeleo. Na tuheshimiane na tulete maendeleo ili watoto wetu wapate nafasi ya kuendelea mbele. Kuna programs and projects, Governor, the outgoing governor has mentioned, particularly the sugar factory in Nyangwete. I took extra trouble to be able to get land alienated by the Senate so we can be able to have it built as a sugar factory in South Mogrango. I want you to take a very active part in ensuring that that sugar factory is up and running. You have so much on your plate, and I know you have the agility, you have the power, you have the support from the people that you can move this country forward. God bless you. May we see progress in this country. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's now my honor, distinct honor, to invite the Member of Parliament for Kitutu Chache South, and who was a Member of Parliament for Kitutu Chache, my former Member of Parliament, who is now a Senator, Richard Onyonka, to say a word.
Your Excellencies, Governor James Ongwae, who is my outgoing governor, my incoming Governor Paul Simba Arati, First Lady Mrs. Ongwae, First Lady Mrs. Simba. Before I say anything, Your Excellency, Governor James Ongwae, I consulted with Governor Simba and he has given a very small responsibility. All the members of parliament who ran for elections and won, could you please come and stand here? Please, I'm asking Honorable Barongo, Honorable Soro, Honorable Alpha, Honorable Kibagendi, Honorable Doctor from Bonchari, Onchoke, please come here, all of you. Your singular responsibility is to say your name, your constituency, and please, that's it. So that we can do speeches another time. It is with a lot of respect. We will start with Honorable Dr. Manduku.
Thank you, Senator. Your Excellency, Governor Simba Arati, Your Excellency, the First Lady, our outgoing Governor, Your Excellency, Deputy Governor, and your family, distinguished guests, my name is Dr. Manduku, Member of Parliament, Yaribari Masawa. Your Excellency, Simba Arati, count on our support, and we pray to God for providence, good health, so that you can make Kisii a great county. Lastly, Your Excellency, these people elected you, and we are asking you, you shall be our spokesman on all matters political. We don't want to hear anyone out there speaking for Kisii except Simba Arati.
Honorable Barongo, the Member of Parliament for Bomachoge Borabu.
Abantu baminto ba Kisii County na bakwanira mbiyamole. I would like you to allow me together to congratulate the incoming governor, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, without forgetting the heritage that we are seeing here of a peaceful handover of power from the outgoing governor, James Ongwae, and the team. I am the Member of Parliament representing the great people of Bomachoge Borabu, and mine is just to wish the incoming governor good health. And I want to assure you, Governor, that we will support you and we wish you good health. Imokie county yeye onyesukibosio nyasago sesenimbi ya monosa.
Honorable Kibagendi, Member of Parliament, Kitutu Chache South.
Abantu baminto bagusi na abakwanira mbiyamole. Thank you so much, our incoming governor, Simba Paul Arati, our outgoing governor, James Ongwae, and your spouses, all the distinguished guests. I'm indeed elated to be here to witness the swearing in of our governor, Simba Arati. While he was being sworn in, tears rolled down my cheek, because I saw a son of a poor man rise up to rule and lead the people of Kisii County. This is excellent. We would also like to appreciate our outgoing governor, particularly for this magnificent piece of art, Kisii Stadium, and the work you've done for the people of Kisii County. So we invite the incoming governor to pick up from where you left, for him to be able to take Kisii County to the next level. Governor Simba Arati, I have assured you, mimi ni kijana wako wa mkono, na tutafanya kazi pamoja ya kupeleka Kisii County mbele. Thank you so much and work for the people of Kisii County. Simba netaya. Sorry, please. The gentleman who sang that song, do something for him. Thank you.
Thank you. The incoming Member of Parliament, Kitutu Chache North, Mr. Jaff Ogamba.
His Excellencies, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the incoming governor, the outgoing governor, Honorable James Ongwae, with your spouses. I'm here on behalf of my family and on behalf of the people of Kitutu Chache North to say congratulations to my brother Simba Arati. And I want to tell you, we as members of parliament, we will support you. We will guide you where you need our help. You are a bright man. Take Kisii County to greater heights. We believe in you. We want you to work for the people of Kisii, and we will give you all the support that you require. Thank you so much, abantu baminto tiganyasaba seseni ni chomo chumbo Kitutu Chache North. God bless you all.
Thank you, Jeff. The Member of Parliament for Bonchari, Dr. Onchoki.
I stand here, Your Excellencies, James Ongwae, the outgoing governor, the incoming governor, Simba Arati, and I wish to congratulate you very much on behalf of Bonchari, Mbiamono Sana, Asoko Buachikura Chiobo Governor. Avanchari are ready to work with you. We'll be coming with the other leaders to put our agenda to you as you prepare the county integrated development plan. We want to work with you to promote the development of this region and Bonchari. Biamono sana, seseniwa, nyasaye tikabu ateva usiva minto, toge enderere. Biamono.
Thank you so much. The person to come next is my former colleague, Member of Parliament from Bomachoge, Honorable Alpha Miruka, Bomachoge Chache.
Chache. Thank you, my able Senator, Your Excellency, Paul Simba Arati, etaya. Etaya, teoge tia. Gosebo gaki. My happiness is, I know you have rubbed shoulders with the outgoing governor, and I know that now work together for the betterment of this county. I know Ongwae has experience in terms of leadership. Paul Simba Arati is a very good, a successful member of parliament. Now the new governor in Kisii County. Wish you luck. May God bless you so much. But I want to remind you one thing. I come from Gucha, a probable county next time. We need a stadium like this in a field called Tendere. Now this is over. Now extend the county services to Gucha in Tendere Stadium. You come from there. Another very important thing, my governor, don't forget Ogembo Level 5 Hospital. Kisii is done, Maran is done, now go to Ogembo. The last bit of the story, make sure you put up a good factory in my constituency. What we need is service delivery. May God bless you so much. Be blessed.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Alpha. Yule sasa ambaye nitamuita is a friend of mine, a young man who was dreaming to become the Member of Parliament for Nyaibari, Mheshimiwa Zahir Janda.
Thank you so much, Senator, Your Excellency, our incoming Governor, Mheshimiwa Paul Simba Arati, First Lady, Mrs. Arati, the outgoing Governor, Your Excellency, Dr. James Ongwae, and the First Lady, Mrs. Ongwae, all protocols observed. Mimi kwa majina ninaitwa Mheshimiwa Zahir Janda. Mimi ndio mbunge wa hapa Nyaribari Chache. Sina mengi ya kusema kwa sababu ya muda. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, songa kidogo, nataka kuona Governor kidogo nimweleze. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor,
I want to assure you of our commitment and unwavering support despite our political affiliation. Sisi tuko kwa ile mrengo ingine ya UDA, but I can assure you tutasimama na wewe, na ndio maana sisi kama wabunge tumekuja hapa, tuko nyuma yako na tutakusupport. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana Zahir. Sasa nitamuita rafiki yangu Ekomoniki Moindi Njwa. Mheshimiwa Osoro ako ndoke Ekomoniki Mosongo. Asante my brother.
Haya. Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Your Excellency Paul Simba Arati, Your Excellency the First Lady, Your Excellency James Ongwae, our outgoing governor, na viongozi wote ambao wamekuja hapa. Hamjambo. Your Excellency, for me, this is a dream come true because it's a dream that was born out of a committee meeting that I served with you in the Committee on Implementation. When we were doing a bit of some report about the Nairobi County on some projects that were duplicated by the national government and the county government. And then you mentioned to me that you want to be governor of Kisii County. And I indeed told you that it's about time that we have a generational change in Kisii area. It is now true that today we are having a generational change in Kisii County. We're having one of the youngest governors in Kenya. We have formed history as a country for having elected a person who, of course, came directly from Nairobi politics and vied for the first time in Kisii County and won. And you know, you garnered so many votes across the country, devoid of the political affiliations. People voted for you, you know, unanimously. You got about 200 and something, 280,000 votes. To me, my call upon you is that to whom much is given, much is expected. People have come here because of hope. All the multitudes that you see here are about hope. They want to see change in Kisii. They want to see things flowing. They want to see you doing things extraordinary. They want to see bursaries. They want to see roads. They want to see employment opportunities. Actual employment opportunities, visible ones. And once you do that, trust me, in 2027, you'll have no competition. But if you don't do that, 2027, I'll compete with you and I'll beat you if you don't do that. Your Excellency, I also call upon you that even as you pursue your 5-year goal and dream, kindly, Your Excellency, please work with the national government. Regardless of the court's outcome, if it happens that the court will rule that William Ruto is the president, swear allegiance to William Ruto and help the people of Kisii County. If it goes otherwise, go to that other side. But if it goes to William Ruto, you must support William Ruto so that we proceed together. And me, as the chief whip of the National Assembly, I'll make sure I connect you there so that we progress together. William Ruto is the president, and you must accept that. Thank you very much. God bless you. William Ruto ndio rais. Asante sana.
Ningependa ngoja kidogo. Ningependa kusema jambo moja kabla sijamaliza. Ntagetega alimonte kerere nimbwate kakengo kwana. Gavana wangu Simba Arati. Ningependa kusema kuwa wakati tulianza hii safari tulikuwa na ndoto. Safari yako na yangu zimashoneka pamoja. Kazi yangu ilikuwa ndogo sana, kutafuta, kukuzungumzia na kuhakikisha kuwa umenieleza ni lipi utakajaribu kufanyia jamii ya Mkisii. Ulinitoshelesha, nikakuelewa, na tukaamua tuanze safari. Kabla sijasema mawili, ningependa kutoa asante zangu kwa mama yangu mzazi, Mama Triza ambaye yuko hapa. My mother is around here, the most incredible woman. She's here. Stand up, Mom. They want to see you. She's a bit old and unwell. Mama Triza, she's there. I want to also thank my wife, Beatrice, who's here. I want to thank Honorable Simba's wife, Madam May, the most amazing person I've ever worked with in politics. She was meticulous, intelligent, and she made sure we stayed together. I want to thank Governor James Ongwae. Nyasaye boli ayeno mosacha ko mosacha. Mbiyamone sogo to tiga tobue chikura. I want to thank the people of Kitutu Church who have elected me for so many years. I am shocked that I am now going to be serving 20 years in Parliament, and I don't know how to thank you. Abagusi mwensi chikura mwatu akirete abanyali bali mbuya mono abanchali mbuya mono ababasi mbuya mono abamachoge mbuya mono abagetutu bamintenda yenchogu mulende gutwa kama ente nyina iborwe omwana oyo igana bwata liyanda lyogo chenchi gusi momo sabere momolende momo bwate no koboko esabali togo chindero ya chaka ngopanga tole kuna togo chikolike kelia kenene mwepange ombo gusio minto. Your Excellency Governor Simba Arati, I would now want to ask you, before I forget, Omongi Nadonya, thank you, Baba. You are the most wonderful person that I could have wished to have been in the team with. With us, Your Excellency, there's a lady who's been nominated by UDA. She's going to be in the Senate. Her name is Gloria Oroba, and she's #1 on the Senate for Jubilee. It's good to recognize her. Without saying much, I'll hand back to His Excellency James Ongwae, who will then call Governor Simba. Mintombi ya mono, nyasaba sesenie. Thank you.
Biamono Richard, na etato tarebuya, origerio mongwano yo morigeri chibesa ku Senate gari Nairobi. Let me now conclude by asking all the members of the County Assembly, those who won, Kimura and Chase More, wherever you are, just stand and wave, please. Members of the County Assembly, you know you are many. We wish you all the very best. I can see those who came back and the others who came in. We wish you all the very best. Please support Simba Arati in your endeavors. Your Excellency, let me conclude by again saying, and we have agreed with you that I'll give you all the support that you need. You know me as a person. You know I move on, I've moved on. I just wish you well. Madam Elizabeth Ongwae, if you can stand and also wave as we go, as we also go, please wave. Mbiyamono baba Elizabeth mbiyamono. Muswati wenomo machoge mbiyamono sana. I thank you very much. I know that I'm going to give you the flag. Put the flag on your vehicle before we leave. I'm kindly requesting you, because you will be surrounded by so many people, if after putting the flag you allow me to leave, Your Excellency, to not be disrespect, I'm requesting that you allow me to leave in front of you as after we have put the flag, because I know that you are going to be surrounded. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now my duty and responsibility to ask the Deputy Governor our Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, to now take over. Dr. Monda, you can say your word and then invite our governor of this great county to talk to us. Thank you very much.
Tumpigie makofi Deputy Governor wetu anaposimama. Tumpigie makofi. Karibu sana Deputy Governor Dr. Robert Monda.
Thank you, Your Excellency, Governor Ongwae, for inviting me to address this gathering. Your Excellency, Governor Simba Arati, and the outgoing Governor, Honorable His Excellency James Ongwae, the outgoing Deputy Governor, Joash Mangi, the Senator-elect, my brother, I always referred to Super Senator in our campaigns, Honorable Richard Onyonka, our dear women rep, Doris Donyaburi, whom we ran around with in the campaigns, the presiding judge, Lady Justice Teresia Mateka, the county commissioner and the East National Government team, honorable members of the National Assembly present, and I'm happy that all of you in the entire county are here with one who is in a foreign trip, the Member of Parliament for Bobasi, and I bring his apology because he spoke to me. Honorable members of the County Assembly present, the church leadership present led by His Lordship Bishop Mairura and all other denominations, including the Muslim community. Our development partners, all stakeholders, members of my family who are here, friends and fellow citizens of our great county. Before I proceed, Your Excellency, allow me to ask members of my family, wherever you are seated, please, you stand and wave to this congregation here. Everyone from the Monda family who are present, including my dear wife, whom all the time I sent to represent me in the campaigns. Please wave, all of you, including my grandchildren who are here. Please wave and get seated. Ladies and gentlemen, first, I wish how is this thing done? First, I wish to thank God for bringing us all together this far and for granting us this victory. I wish to welcome all of you who have come from all corners of this county and beyond to this auspicious occasion to witness as we embark on this journey of leading this great county. To our invited guests who are most welcome, you are most welcome to celebrate with us and join effort in building our county. I want Your Excellency to take this opportunity to thank you, Your Excellency, indeed, for the trust and the confidence that made us partner with you. We are partners in this journey and we have made it together. I thank you indeed for the opportunity to serve together with you. Together with Senator Richard Onyonka and the Women Rep Doris Aburi, as Simba Arati team, as we have all the time referred as ourselves, we traversed all the corners of the county and got the aspirations of our people as a team. Your Excellency, sir, as we take up the mantle of leadership of this county today, I commit to support you and ensure that we fulfill the promises that we made to our people. To the people of this county, you were the most important players in this game. Every vote that you casted in our favor was a demonstration of strong belief and trust you have in our trust. Every vote that you casted in our favor was a demonstration of strong belief and trust you have in our shared vision and the leadership in transforming our county. Our team won by a landslide, giving us a mandate to serve you with confidence. Your Excellency, sir, as I conclude, I take this opportunity to congratulate all newly elected members of the County Assembly, National Assembly, Senator, women, and the women representative. I welcome you all, and let us join hands together to bring development to those who elected us. Thanks, and may God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure, before I bring the governor, I've been advised that I bring the county commissioner of our county to come and address us.
Thank you. The Honorable Governor, Kisii County, Honorable Simba Arati, the First Lady, the Honorable Outgoing Governor of Kisii County, Honorable Ongwae, and the First Lady, Honorable Deputy Governors present, elected members, ladies and gentlemen. Amjambo. Amjambo tena. Yangu yatakuwa machache sana. Kwanza, ningependa nichukue nafasi hii I congratulate the incoming Governor, Honorable Paul Arati. Welcome, and I wish to congratulate you as you get into the office. On the same breath, ningependa pia nichukue fursa hii to congratulate the outgoing governor. He has had his time in office, and we appreciate what he was able to do. And I also mostly appreciate kwamba ameweza kufanikisha hii sherehe ya handing over. Lastly, I wish to take this opportunity to assure the incoming governor that the national government will work very closely with you, with your county government, to ensure that we deliver services to the people. I want to assure you that we shall forever be guided by the principles of the Constitution that guides relations between the two levels of government, which stipulates that we should deal with each other with complementarity and consultation. I want to assure you that the entire national government is ready for your consultation, and we shall work as a team. Lastly, may I thank the people of Kisii for conducting peaceful elections. And as the leaders have said, campaigns are over. Now is going back to business of national building. Kwa hivyo ningeuliza kila mmoja yetu sasa tuweke tofauti zile tulikuwa nazo za kisiasa kando, tujenge taifa letu. Once again, thank you very much, the Honorable Governor, and congratulations for taking over your mantle. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my singular honor and a privilege to invite the second governor of Kisii County, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati.
Makofi! Makofi ya Simba Arati!
Simba neta ogenda bunjari Simba neta umachoge bwabura bu Simba neta Simba neta sauti mugirango Simba neta Simba neta
Wapidulia gavana!
Simba neta ekitutu chaje Simba neta ekaje ya sauti Simba neta ekitutu chaje Simba neta ekaje ya Simba neta mando amindo Simba neta omogaba no.
Nataka tuende sisi uwanja wote tunasema iwe. Tuende uwanja mzima, 1, 2, 3. Asante sana, karibu your excellence. Thank you, thank you.
Aya. Asanteni, tuketi. Tuketini. Mwanyegetinge mbiyamole. Tigango tokuana negando lekero monta sare ngambi yamole. Thank you. My predecessor, the outgoing Governor, His Excellency James Ongwae, the Deputy Governor-elect, Dr. Monda, the Senator-elect, my brother, Honorable Richard Onyonka, the Women Rep, Representative, the presiding judge, the Lady Justice Teresia Madeka, the County Commissioner, honorable members of Parliament, honorable members of the County Assembly, the clergy led by His Lordship, Joseph Mairura, other faith leaders, distinguished invited guests, and members of my family, friends and fellow great people of Kisii County. This afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, I want to be very brief with the statement that I'm going to make today. Allow me to start. I stand here before you today with utmost humility and solemn gratitude as I take up the duty to serve as the second governor of Kisii. Ladies and gentlemen, on a momentous day like this one, it's often not possible to acknowledge everyone who has supported us in this channel. But allow me to single out the church for their prayers, for the spiritual guidance in the transformation of our county's affairs. We have managed to walk this journey as one united family. I thank you. I pay special tribute to my lovely wife, now our First Lady, for her steadfast love and guidance during my entire political career, and for being an amazing mother to my children. I also wish to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my campaign team, led by the campaign secretariat, agents, well-wishers, for their ideas, guidance, and conviction that they were carrying out this campaign. To my family, my mother is around. I saw her here, Mama Kayane. And my mama is here. Ukuja hapo uonekane dakika moja. Yes, mama ndio huyo, salimia tu. Asante. Thank you. I thank you for your prayers. Guidance and conviction and sheer commitment has brought us this victory. Most importantly, I thank you, my beloved supporters, for the believing you had in me. From the four corners of our county, you stepped forward, pressed a heavy downpour, scorching sun, and it is at a time long nights as you passionately engaged us in the conversation of changing our county. An honest and candid conversation about what is ailing our county and what we must do to make things work again. That those you elected had failed to deliver on their promises. You told us the promises of good schools, better health care, and safe, clean drinking water was still just a promise. You told us you needed to see a change in the way the affairs of the county are being conducted.